slab leak refers to a water leak that occurs underneath the concrete foundation of a building. It specifically pertains to leaks in the water pipes that are embedded within or underneath the concrete slab. Slab leaks can be problematic because they are often difficult to detect and can cause significant damage to the building if left unattended. There are two primary types of slab leaks: hot water line leaks and cold water line leaks. Hot water line leaks occur in the pipes that carry hot water, typically originating from the water heater. Cold water line leaks, on the other hand, involve the pipes that transport cold water throughout the building. Several factors can contribute to the occurrence of slab leaks. These include 1. Poor installation. If the pipes were not installed correctly or experienced damage during construction, they may develop leaks over time. 2. Soil conditions. Expansive soils, which shrink and expand with changes in moisture levels, can put pressure on the pipes, leading to cracks or fractures. 3. Corrosion. Over time, pipes can corrode due to the chemical composition of the water or soil, resulting in weakened areas that are prone to leaking. 4. Abrasion. Pipes can rub against the surrounding material such as gravel or concrete, causing wear and tear that eventually leads to leaks. Detecting slab leaks can be challenging because they are hidden beneath the concrete foundation. However, some common signs may indicate the presence of a slab leak, including unexplained water pooling or dampness on the floor. Sudden increases in water bills. The sound of running water when all faucets are turned off, cracks in the walls or flooring, decreased water pressure. Once a slab leak is suspected, it's crucial to contact a professional plumbing service specializing in slab leak detection and repair. These experts employ various techniques, such as electronic leak detection and infrared imaging, to pinpoint the precise location of the leak without extensive excavation. Repairing slab leaks often involves accessing the affected pipe through the foundation and repairing or replacing the damaged section. The specific repair method depends on factors such as the location and severity of the leak. Prompt identification and repair of slab leaks are vital to prevent further damage to the building's structure, minimize water waste, and avoid costly repairs in the future. Feel free to call us as soon as possible, 214-556-6600.